Insta360 has recently expanded its product lineup with two new offerings, the Insta360 Ace and the more premium Insta360 Ace Pro. As implied by their names, the Ace Pro positions itself as the higher-end variant among the two, promising users an enhanced experience. Both models boast impressive specifications that position them as formidable competitors to other popular action cameras, like the OSMO Action 4 and GoPro Hero Black 12. In terms of appearance, the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro share a commonality with the standard compact rectangular body seen in most action cameras. Notably, the Ace Pro is slightly larger than its non-Pro counterpart. Both devices feature a 2.4-inch flip touchscreen display, offering users a convenient interface for navigating through settings and framing shots. With a water-resistant capability of up to 10 meters, these action cameras can withstand more demanding aquatic adventures, reaching up to 60 meters when equipped with the dive kit. The inclusion of a magnetic mounting system allows for swift transitions between accessories, adding to the user-friendly appearance. When it comes to imaging capabilities, both the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro are equipped with Leica sensors featuring a 16mm focal length. The Ace model incorporates a 1/2-inch sensor with an f2.4 aperture, capable of recording videos in 6K at 30 FPS. On the other hand, the Ace Pro steps up the game with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and an f2.6 aperture, enabling impressive 8K video recording at 24 FPS. Both models support 4K video recording at 120 FPS and can capture high-resolution 48-megapixel still images. Gesture control, voice control, and the ability to pause or cancel recordings provide users with flexibility in capturing the perfect shot. Additionally, the action cameras feature a stats dashboard to enhance the user experience. Under the hood, both the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro are powered by a 5nm AI processor. This advanced processor brings features like Highlights Assistant, Wrap, and Selfie Stick Eraser to the table. Users can also explore creative options such as slow motion, star lapse, time shift, and more. The cameras are equipped with a variety of shooting modes to cater to different scenarios. In terms of battery capacity, the Insta360 Ace is fueled by a 1700 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, while the Ace Pro packs a slightly smaller 1650 mAh cell, but compensates with faster 30 watts charging. This ensures that users can spend more time capturing moments and less time waiting for their devices to charge. Compatibility is not an issue, as both action cameras work seamlessly with iOS devices running version 12 and above, powered by the Bionic 812. Android users are not left out, with compatibility extended to devices featuring Snapdragon 855, Exynos 2200, and Kirin 990 or newer chips, accompanied by Android 10 or above. The Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro come with a price tag that reflects their premium features and capabilities. The standard Insta360 Ace is priced at $449, making it a competitive option for users seeking high-quality performance in an action camera. The Pro model is available at $546, offering enhanced specifications and features. In the competitive realm of action cameras, Insta360's Ace and Ace Pro present themselves as formidable contenders, challenging popular offerings like the OSMO Action 4 and GoPro Hero Black 12 with their blend of advanced features, compact appearance, and impressive imaging capabilities. Whether capturing extreme sports or everyday adventures, these action cameras aim to deliver a seamless and immersive recording experience for users across various platforms. What do you think about the new cameras? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and luck will definitely be on your side.